Apiary. That might be a new word for you. It was a new word for me. It means a place where bees are kept.
So just open over here.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, hang on, Chef. You're going too fast, Chef. You're going too fast. Chef Francois is the executive chef at the Emirates Palace Mandarin Oriental Hotel. He says he oversees 14 restaurants and 2,000 staff. And if that wasn't enough to keep him busy, he wanted to take on the role of beekeeper.
With this protection, you cannot get stung. Huh?
Good. That's what I like to hear.
And they say it's actually quite healthy.
To get stung?
Yeah, to get stung for the blood.
I don't know about that.
You should try it.
Chef Francois spent his time finding this location. He wanted it far enough away from the hotel so it wouldn't bother guests. It also needed to be under a tree so it was shaded. And over time, he's built up these beehives. I thought I was gonna see maybe like 10,000, 15,000, 20,000 bees, which is a lot of bees. No, 1 million bees. That's what Chef said. Oh, there they are. Look at these guys working away. To me, what was the coolest is you know when you're getting close to the queen because the amount of worker bees becomes more and more. So, you know, the first frame, yeah, maybe a couple bees. The second frame, some more bees. The third frame, they're everywhere. Woo. You can tell that we found the queen because now all the bees are getting agitated. They're starting to swarm around us. Look at that.
No, because we're close to, they're protecting the queen. Huh? Yeah, the queen is over there.
That's the queen right there.
Amazing.
Why do this?
It's very important because this is the ecosystem, you know, and I think we should protect it. Around the world, unfortunately, they are not surviving. So we don't want to lose our ecosystem.
All this bee talk has me hungry. Should we go?
Yeah, I'm starving actually.
Try some of the honey?
Definitely.
I'm following you.
We're gonna start with my favorite honey, actually. It has saffron in it.
Oh.
And gold.
Gold, which are like two of the most expensive things, saffron and gold. So
yes,
might as well put them together.
It is.
Oh my gosh.
It's something, yeah? It's beautiful.
It's so sweet. I will recommend to anyone watching this, just go eat some honey right now. There you go.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Cheers.
Yeah, I think you need a little bit more of that.
Yeah, always.